Okay, here we go. Combining like terms. This is another way to simplify expressions. So that's what we're going to get into. So first of all, what is a term? A term are any group of numbers or variables that are separated by a plus sign or an equal sign or a minus sign, but not it's not a separate term if it's a multiplication or division sign. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so let's talk about this. We have 5 shirts, 7 pairs of pants, and then another shirt over there, right? That would leave us with 5 shirts and another shirt. That would leave us with 6 shirts. That's a shirt. And 7 pants. There's nothing changing about the pants. There you go. But that's one of the reasons it's so important to recognize that if you have a variable with no coefficient, no number in front of it, the coefficient is 1. And I hear students often tell me that variables are equal to 1. That is false. That's why when we solve for variables, we get numbers like 5, 12, whatever. So just remember, if you have a variable with nothing in front of it, it's 1. There's one shirt right there. So this becomes just 6s, right? 5 and 1 more plus 7p. And we can't combine that any further because that's not what we're talking. Like, we're not talking about just articles of clothes. We're talking about shirts versus pants. Okay, so let's take a look at this first example. X minus 3 minus 5. Remember, minus 3 means negative 3. Take away 5 more. So you would be left with x and then negative 3, negative 5 leaves me here, right? You owe $3, you borrow 5 more. That's how you would have it. So make sure you're treating your negatives just like the negatives that they are. Speaking of r, we have 9r and another r over here. All together, that's 10 of them. It's 9 and then another. So 10r, right? And then I like to do this, like I'll circle things or underline them, whatever. A positive 5 plus 1 is a positive 6. Okay, the like terms I see here, I see a positive k, a positive 1k, minus 8k, right? So the 1 here would just come down. There's no like terms to combine it with. Now, 1k minus 8k, that's like you have $1 in your pocket, but you actually owe me 8. And I'm like, well, fine, give me the $1 you have, but you still would owe me 7. All right, so you try this one. Pause the video and try. And if you didn't get B, let me know.